Hello traders, in today's live trading session video, we're going to be looking at why are we taking this silver trade on the daily time frame based on the 50% open equity strategy. We're going to be exploring this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Napan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So traders, here we are on the silver trade over here on the daily time frame. Now, we are selecting this trade based on the confirmation bar, which has confirmed this bottom. Okay, that's how we are doing it. And what is the 50% open equity distance? What do we mean by that? All we mean is, traders, every time you get a confirmation bar which confirms a top or a bottom, according to our quantification here at Master the Markets, taught to us by institutional quant traders. Okay, so that's why we have this unique thing of quantifying the tops and bottoms. From them, you can get actually 3 valid stats. Okay, one of the stats, which is very, very powerful, is the open equity stats, which will help you base your targets on because it's your exits in which you realize your profit or loss. Okay, now based on open equity, all we are saying is 50% open equity means the distance that 50% of your trades will get to. Okay, longer distance. Now, some of you may be wondering, hey, why choose 50%, and then lose out the other 50%? That is not the way to do it. I'll teach you a way where we can increase our probabilities, but the losers will become lesser. I'll talk to you about that in a short while. Now,
if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
in terms of our open equity distance, let me go on to here. We have actually migrated the smart money indicator onto the TradingView platform here as well. So over here, as you can see, let me put silver on here as well, and we can choose easy markets data over here. So over here is analyzing on the daily time frame. It's selecting over 136 trades over 10, 12 years of whatever data that it's got. Basically 136 dots, right? Tops and bottoms. And it's analyzing how many of them get to all these distances, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. Now, in different instruments, of course, this will mean different things. Over here, what it means is that it's 25 cents, so 0.25. In currencies, you will refer to refer to 25 pips. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. A quick way to find out also is if you want to check if it really means 25 cents, you can read this one here. If it says 52 cents over here, that means for this move is move 52 cents. I can look at the close price, which is, let me take a look over here, which is 21.02, and the low is 2058. So I know it's about roughly 50 cents this move. So that's when I know it's 52 here means 52 cents, which in other words means 0.52. Okay, so understanding that, I can read this table better. So all it's saying is that 66% of them move more than or equal to 25 cents. Now the 50% distance over here refers to 50 cents over here. Okay, over this small data sample. Now, so that is your distance that 50% of these dots will travel to. Some of them won't get there. You see, for example, this dot doesn't get to 50 cents, only 37 cents, right? This one is even more lesser. It immediately turns. This one, yes, does get to just a little bit, just nicely. This one nicely gets to $1.40. Yeah. So that's your open equity distance point, 50% open equity distance point.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now, based on that is how we actually selected this particular trade here and placing this over here. You can see it's placed at 24.29, which is the close of this confirmation bar, and the stop loss for the low of the confirmation bar, and the target for being 24.95. Here, we have placed it for 1 ATR, okay? So we can either use 1 ATR or 50 cents, whichever is bigger. In this case, 65 cents. 1 ATR was bigger, so we just added 65 cents to it, more or less. And we got 24.95. And the good thing is, the smart money indicator on TradingView, you can change it to ATR level as well. Okay, you can change it to ATR level here as well. And you can then analyze it from that point too. I mean, a lot of people have been asking us about this indicator. If you are interested in it, do, of course, get in touch with us at clientservice@masterthemarkets.net. And we can schedule a one-to-one session with our trader coaches, and we can go in depth on this indicator. A really powerful thing is one of the biggest edge that we have, and a lot of demand from intermediate traders already are coming through. Now, in terms of the 50% of them winning and 50% of them not getting there. You see, for example, you'd be starting to lose on this kind of trades, right? Traders on where it just immediately turns, just travels a little bit. What do we do? Then we have to include a small filter, which what it's doing is selecting. And your selection must be good so that you don't choose losers like this. Okay, you select the dots. You don't choose every dot to get to 50 cents. You select the dot so that somehow your selection eradicates the losers. One small selection that you can do, which we use here as well, not too sophisticated selection, because then it will filter off the winners too. So what you do, one small selection you can do, traders, is you can base it on momentum. Okay, so let me show you over here what we have done. We go over to the other chart, a bit more easier to show you guys. So if I go on to the weekly time frame, you see on the daily it's uptrend, right? So on the weekly also it is uptrend as well. You can see over here it is uptrend as well, and it's a phase one move, so it's in line with the trend. And also if you take a look, traders, on a daily time frame too, it is also an uptrend, and it's a bottom to top move here too as well. You can see that, yeah. So it's all aligning. The only thing you got to be aware of is on the weekly, which we saw as well, that the move is quite overextended, isn't it? So it's got a few interruptions, as we call it, that it's got along the way. It's quite high up. It might start to turn soon, so that's why it's probable that you can put this at a smaller risk rather than putting it at a full-on risk over here. Okay, so that's what this strategy is all about. And you can also review the concepts on how we build the strategies also through our Trader Starter Pack, which is a 5-day video course strategy, which I highly recommend. Is for free as well. Highly recommend for you guys to look into that as well. All right, traders, so quite a lot to take in, and definitely, I mean, have a look at this indicator. It will really help you a lot because you can put this over 50,000 instruments. Really would look forward to talk to you guys about this. Do book an appointment by first emailing clientservice@masterthemarkets.net, and we can help you progress forward on your trading journey and help you achieve consistent performance. Traders, that's all from me on this live trading session video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.